Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, keep going down here. Then you click here on account settings. You click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on visibility here. So then you come to this list. Then you go down here and you click here on share profile updates with your network. So then come here to share profile updates. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's been enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.